Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. The video you are about to watch now is called Things Fall Apart. It is about the events that took place during the invasion of the white man. It was a fight between the traditionalists and the Western missionaries. It is about the novel Things Fall Apart, written by Chinua Achebes.
We have agreed that 4 of our youths and yourself should challenge a cat. Not me.
Did the people of Umota raise their confidence in you?
It would be solid 4 of them challenge one another. Whoever wins should challenge me, and if he defeats me, shall challenge the cat.
And if you win, will you challenge the cat?
Then it shall be an honor given and an honor won. Then, for the honor of the people of Umofia, I shall challenge the cat. There I stand.
And there we stand.
Having a disgrace to my honor and hard work.
Shut up! Shut up, Okonkwo! Have I ever asked you to pay off like that for me?
And so what?
You asked me, so what? You?
Flute and debts every day, nothing else. How can I respect you?
You mean you do not even respect me anymore?
Yes, I don't, Father. I don't respect you anymore.
Shut up, Okonkwo. Shut your big broad mouth. Unoka, I have spoken to you many a time about the flute, drinks, death. Your honor is that of your children, and theirs is yours. Unoka, when does an old man grow old? A man can learn from his children, you know. When are you going to grow older and wiser? Eh? Okonkwo, my son. Youth can be proud and empty, but anger must not stand in the way of wisdom. You never shall talk to your father again like that, for he shall always remain father to you. Okonkwo, that flute gave us life. It gave us hope, food, shelter, and whatever little honor your father may have for himself, for me, and for the family. That flute, respect.
I'm sorry, Mother.
Go and say that to your father, for it was he you hurt first and most. Go on.
You don't have to apologize, my son. It is because you did not want to know, nor do you want to understand.
What is there to understand?
My son, get up.
I greet you. I greet you.
What if I go to John?
Tell our elders that the time has come, and my feet shall never tremble again. Tell Ezekiel that Umuofia is coming to Ezekiel. Tell them to tell Amalinze. Son of Odomago, the roaring flame. I am coming to Ezekiel to wrestle him and beat him.
That night, the mother of spirits walked the length and breadth of the clan, weeping for her murdered son. It was a terrible night. Not even the oldest man in Umuofia had ever heard such a strange and fearful sound, and it was never heard again. Like a furious whirlwind, the band of masquerades moved to Enoch's compound and with machete and fire reduced it to a desolate heap.
This is the house of the Lord, and I will not see it desecrated. Onye ọja si m kelesi unu. Ọ si m kelesi unu. Na nke unu si wee bịa ịkọrịa unu na ọ sọrọ nsọ n'obi. Unu biko n'ife m ebu na unu ga-anaba. Unu rapụzigharị anya na-eme na ọ ga-ama ka ọ ga-eji wee n'ebe a. They said that they do not agree at all. That the church must fall. That it is the custom of the land.
They must leave at once.
Mamo, ikemefuna okisije. Mama nemeranta ma merimo. Mwananje zalafa kafara lo nyendi umofia si Naija cholofaja ebenebe bukwakwa obugo ifu ye megokwa ikemefu na ofanya njakpa nganga piarigo agameje neje ka gamana nana ona bonye lige juna onyalo kiliko ye hauna ikemo 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 ikemefuna mo tomo nanu sonani okokoko onyara punchi ma nwata na kpanku n'ofia nkịta tago kpukpu tasia eze gbubewu ụwa bụ nkịtị onye kọtara chi ya ekota okokoko alu emego